Yes, Hare Krishna. My name is Chaitanya Das. I am from Hungary, from Budapest. I am member of ISKCON, and I'm visiting India, and I love India. I love Indian culture, and I am Hindu, but I'm respect the Christian religion. I'm respect Xavier, San Francisco, and but God is one. No different Hindu God and Muslim God and Christian God. God is one. And somebody called Father, somebody called Krishna, somebody called Jehovah, somebody called the Rama, and everybody praying to the one God.
Yes. You are here for the exposition. What do you like to say there?
I like here everything.